Could you just explain when it comes to the term, to those peoples whose hearts are inclined towards Islam or the religion, who does that include, that category of people?
This is the fourth category mentioned in the Quran in Surah Tawbah, chapter 9, verse number 60, mu-allafatul quloob. Those whose hearts are inclined towards Islam. There are various categories that can come in this. For example, can be used for propagation. Those who are newly converted Muslims, or rather the word revert is the right word. They've reverted to Islam, and to strengthen their faith, the money can be used. It can be used for the propagation to see to it that non-Muslims are given knowledge of Islam, so their hearts come toward Islam. And there's a hadith which is mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, in the book of Zakat, hadith number 2318. Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, he sent some gold nuggets to the Prophet, which along with some dust particles. So the Prophet gave it to 4 different people of different tribes. But the people of tribe of Quraysh, they felt a bit bad that the Prophet was a bit partial and didn't give it to any of them, but gave it to the Najd tribe. So the Prophet said, the reason I gave is for reconciliation. I wanted the heart to be strengthened towards Islam. So Prophet used that to give it to a particular group of people so that they come closer to Islam. So this is one of the ways that Zakat can be used for getting people closer to Islam, whether it be reverts, new converts, or those also who may be going away from Islam, if you use that money so that the thing is strengthened. For example, there's a revert who is newly reverted to Islam. He may have social problems, he may have economic problems. You can use Zakat money to settle him, to buy for him a house if he doesn't have. If he doesn't have a business, you can start a business with that money so that he's secured and he feels happy coming in the new faith.
Thank you very much for the answer.